Welcome back to Emilee's Paper Caper. In a recent video, I shared the Disney scrapbook supplies that my friend Renee gave me, and I told you I was going to create some base pages so that they would be ready for adding photos after our Disney vacation later this year. So I'm here to share the layouts with you. I have left lots of open space to add more photos and more embellishments, so I've tried to keep these very open and easy to use, but my layouts after the vacation are going to come together so much faster because I'll be able to use these. This will be the title page of the book. It says Disney World Vacation. We usually like to take a picture upon arrival, and so that would go there, a picture or two. And then I also take pictures when we're traveling, so I have the pack your bags and some suitcase embellishments, the airplane. We hope to stay at Beach Club this time, so have a layout here to show like the lobby or the entrance of Beach Club. And I always take pictures of our room. We usually have a pool day, so this is ready for pool pictures or swimming pictures. This is just a fun layout that I can do photo collage or really anything during the week. And this cute Minnie and Mickey were cut from an Eggo waffle box. I just thought they were so cute. We will go to each park at least once, so I have park pages. This one's for Magic Kingdom. Here is a stamped image of Cinderella. I did a Stamping Sunday video recently with a lot of my Disney themed stamps, and she was one of them, so I thought she looked great on the page. You have Believe in Magic. This is another stamped and colored stamped image. Cinderella Castle. I'm hoping we'll be able to catch fireworks near the castle or in Magic Kingdom one night, so I'm thinking this page might be used for that. Just a very versatile page to add photos to. Here's a title page for Animal Kingdom. Another very versatile page. I've got the photo mats horizontal, vertical, but I'm not going to worry about matching my photos to those. If it works out, fine. If not, I can put vertical here and vertical here, whatever. It'll turn out great. And later in the year when I scrapbook these pages, I'll come back and show them to you. Renee included some cute mini pom-poms, and I just love them, and I added them to some of the journal spots. Here's a title page for Epcot. And for Hollywood Studios, I used the film strip border stickers. Toy Story Land is in Hollywood Studios. We really love this area, so I left a lot of space here for photos. I used a lot of primary colors on these pages. Renee sent me a really cute sticker pack of all the Toy Story characters, so I made a very versatile two-page layout with simple borders. Here's another simple page ready for photos. Galaxy's Edge is the Star Wars themed area in Hollywood Studios, and we do like to spend time there. And then we like to shop and eat at Downtown Disney. Here's some more of those pom-poms. And I colored and fussy cut a stamped image of Minnie Mouse. I love you. Our family time at Disney is really precious to us, so I know that I will have some special photos to put on this page with the hearts. Never Grow Up, more of those mini pom-poms. Here's another very versatile page with just the border, so anything goes here as far as what photos I'll put there. Same with this one. And then I like to take a photo at the end of our vacation showing us traveling back home. And this little sticker says, "Best vacation ever." Let me know if you have any questions about my base pages. Keep on scrapping and paper crafting, everyone.